How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix Lively Wallpaper not working. So the first thing that you want to do in order to fix this problem is to just make sure that your Lively Wallpaper is updated to the latest version in order to make sure that it is compatible with your latest Windows. Now, speaking of Windows, also make sure that your Windows are up to date or is up to date. Simply head over to your start menu, type update, and then select check for updates and just make sure that there are no pending updates for your computer. From there, head over to Lively Wallpaper on your start menu once again, click app setting, and then inside this page, there's going to be the run in backgrounds option. So you want to make sure that it is set to always or power optimized recommended, but never on never. So by selecting never, it won't basically run in your background. That won't allow the application to work right here. So just make sure that it is set to power optimized and you should be good to go. Now, the last thing that you could do is to completely uninstall Lively Wallpaper. That's by heading over to the add or remove programs. Simply search for Lively Wallpaper. And then right after, you then want to install a fresh copy by heading over to the Windows Microsoft Store. Click install and you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.